Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. We're back in our simple little vernacular house in our structural model. This is part two of the wood framing. So I went on and did the framing for the walls. And we had a floor here. I'm gonna add the floor, but now with this drawing, there's a little extra detail here. Cause see, I've got, let me just see, let's open this section right here. So in this section, I got a base plate, and then there's my stud, and then I have the top plate here. So that's what you see here in this view. So this is a standard wall, and then what they do here is going to be the finishes, whatever. And then we have the upper level here. Interesting. Do I have a, let's see. Okay. Let's pull this down here and let's look at what we got going on with our floor joists here. So I'm gonna just open this view now. So there we got our joist on that level. Now, okay, so we got a little issue here, but again, these are all beam systems. So I'm gonna do this again. I think we understand how the walls work with the beam system. Now, I'll remind you, everything is still a beam system. I like to do mine in a way that I won't modify it or do anything to the very, very end. If I had two like 4 windows and whatever else. But here we know we've got a stair. But on this other level here, this is all floor. This is going to be all joist. So I'm going to just draw this in, beam system. And then here, you're going with 2x12s or whatever, the dimension lumber here, and I'm going to just sketch this. Well, let's see what happens when I do automatic. No, doesn't like automatic here. Is mine the right view? Yeah, that's the right view, I think. Yeah, that's level 1. That's where I should be, level 1. Okay, so what we'll do here now, we're gonna just sketch this in, this floor. So I'm gonna go beam system and I'm gonna use the sketch. And so depending on now, okay, here, we're gonna go real close here. I'm gonna place this right here. I should do a rectangular box. I'm gonna place it right here, somewhere in here, I'm not sure exactly where. And I'm gonna take this all the way down here. And then, you know, again, this is beam system. We'll sort out the connection later on. And then we've got our span direction right here. Now, I should have probably made this one sketch, and I will if it doesn't work out like I want it. So here's that. And then we'll finish here. Okay, so there's our beam. Okay, we got some issues right here. Okay. So here's going to be a little cleanup, but what I will probably do is, let me see. I'm going to redo that one. I didn't place that well. So let me just tab this again, the beam system. I'll just go find it here, and I'm going to delete it out. I'm going to be a little more creative this time. I'm going to just do one. Except I need this has got to be the support right here. We could, but we wouldn't do it that way. They would build it this way. So I'm going to go another beam system, and they're going to, from this joist, from this beam, this column here, sketch it here. I should do this in, well, this is, I could do this in 3D. I'm going to go here. Actually, I want to delete this out now. This goes bye-bye. I want to just do one entire system here. Actually, you don't want to. Okay, so do this sketch. I think this. I have to check the architect's model, but again, like I said, that's a beam system. No, I can't do it that way here. Okay, that's okay. depending on what that span is, but they wouldn't build this way. Plus we've got upper levels. So I'm going to go and finish that. This is pretty much how this is going to have to be. 2 by 12, and then I'll go this way. Same thing. And then we can adjust later. Oh, we can get automatic right here. There you go. Now I'll edit that. Yeah. So now what you can do is modify these guys. Or I'll show you here. You can grab this. That's our beam system. We can actually grab it like I have it now, and we can edit the boundary here. So I can change this boundary here. I'm gonna see if I can do this. I don't really need that up there for my stair opening. Actually, I can probably delete that out. I'm gonna cancel that just in case, and I'm gonna just delete this right here. Delete that one. This is for the stair opening. Then I'm going to do that one. Okay. I'm going to continue. Oh, I'm not ready to do that yet. I'm going to get rid of this. And then I want to bring this out as well. And then I want to extend this to intersect here. Go from there, just there. Okay, and I'm going to finish that. Okay. Uh-oh, sorry, didn't lose my floor. What happened there? But anyway, we understand how to do beam systems. Wow, what had happened here? That was very weird. Let me see. Let me just check this. But again, like I said there, you can edit these guys and modify the boundaries. I'll cancel this. I don't know what happened here with my, cancel that. Okay. Oh, I think I got too much going on here. But anyway, guys, I just want to follow this up. What I'm going to do is basically, let me see if I can get this done right. I wanted to show you the second level and the roof here. I think I got too much going on here. Let me just delete this one out. Delete. Yeah, I did. Oh, okay. So basically, I'm going to just throw this in right quickly here so I can show you how to copy this up. So we're going to go beam system again. And I'm going to sketch it. Just something simple. Well, you know how to do this, and you got to do more detail. Just got to make sure you're on this center line here of the column. See right there? So we're going to go from here down to, I would say here. Let's just go right here for now. And then just that span direction, which is going this way. And we'll finish that. So that's basically it. And we look at that in our sectional view. So we have our floor joist here, and we've got our stud wall. Now we've got a second level here. No, this house, no, this is a 2-level. Well, see, then we have to go in our architectural model and do some things. So we're going to take, in the next video, we're going to take this over into architectural model for openings, and then we'll go up and do the second level. Now, basically, to go to the second level, I'm going to start that here. Now, we've got this base plate here. I'm going to grab these. I'm going to just tab it here. I tell you what, basically, you just want to go around and copy these guys up. So you want to grab, say, actually, it would be better if I just went into level 1 here and grabbed this guy here. Tab. But anyway, guys, I'm running a little overtime on this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm going to do the upper level and the openings, but we got to go in and look at the architect's models. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and everybody be safe. Bye. See you guys next time.